children, welcome to my channel Born Genius.
Children, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn the names of birds. Listen carefully and repeat what I say. Shall we start? Birds. Peacock.
Peacock,
Parrot.
parrot,
Hen.
hen,
Rooster.
rooster,
Sparrow.
sparrow,
Dove.
dove,
Pigeon.
pigeon,
Crow.
crow,
Kingfisher.
kingfisher,
Beaver bird.
weaver bird,
Robin.
robin,
Woodpecker.
woodpecker,
TOCO TOUCAN.
TOCO TOUCAN,
Vulture.
vulture,
Eagle.
eagle,
Swan.
swan,
Duck.
duck,
Hummingbird.
hummingbird,
Macaw.
macaw,
Yellow canary.
yellow canary,
Turkey.
turkey,
Bee eater.
bee eater,
Seagull.
seagull,
Gannet.
gannet,
Hornbill.
hornbill,
Cocktail.
cocktail,
Falcon.
falcon,
Hoop.
hoop,
Owl.
owl,
Stork.
stark,
BLUETIT.
bluetit,
FLAMINGO.
flamingo,
BULBUL.
bulbul,
QUAIL.
quail,
Ostrich.
ostrich. Friends, subscribe my channel for more videos.